carry-ons properly stowed until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. All personal electronic devices, including mobile phones, must continue to be turned off or set to airplane mode until arrival at the gate. The connectivity functions of certain electronic devices may interfere with aircraft communication and navigation system. Before leaving us, please check around your seat, the seat pocket in front of you, and in the overhead compartment for any items that you may have brought with you. Please use caution when opening the overhead compartments, as items may have shifted during the flight and may fall out. As you leave the aircraft, please watch your step as there is a slight floor level change. Please refrain from smoking until you are well within a designated smoking area. If you have gate-checked items such as car seats, strollers, or walkers, please allow our ground staff a few minutes to retrieve your items. You will find your items in the jetway just outside of the aircraft door. If this is your final destination and you have checked luggage, you may claim it at Hawaiian Airlines baggage claim area located on the ground level.